What is the solution for Haiti?
For Haitians to wake up, smell the roses, they have to get together, stick to a national plan, and really come together, because you can bring in aid temporarily, but no one is going to be able to fix permanently the Haitian situation for them. Only Haitians and Haitians themselves can fix it. And this is precisely the conundrum. When will they get religion, in a way? When will they understand that it is only up to them, that they cannot be looking out to the international community, and they have to stop victimizing themselves or feeling that that they're only country in the world that has been a victim of the international community. We in the Dominican Republic, as I said, first of all, we were occupied by Haiti. We then were occupied by the United
Pays d'Haïti a pas fini, yon population qui nan tourment en bas yon bonne gang sans maman, qui joignent support yon bon politicien à gaman, yon jeunesse désorientée, qui a vidé courir quitter pays pour y aller chercher la vie n'importe côté. Abraham Récidis 17 assez. Tout haïtien tout partout invité vin côté, vin garder avec Anglade Jérôme, l'émission Roi nous compter. C'est yon canal côté haïtien tout partout, pral parler, pral di ça yon pensé pour pays pour yon Haïti meilleur. Dans émission si là, Anglade Jérôme pral montre pas gen deux Haïti. C'est dans tête ensemble nous ka changer bagay yo. Yon di l'autre. Toute plateforme profil des pages YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram et la trier voix nous compter avec Anglade Jérôme. C'est yon l'autre bagay.
Chaque grand Haïtien, nous c'est Haïti.